Hey there, marketers. If you're looking to skyrocket your business, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm diving into the world of email marketing and showing you how this powerful tool can transform your business. First off, let's talk about why email marketing is so crucial. Did you know that email marketing has one of the highest ROIs compared to other marketing channels? That's right, for every dollar spent, you can expect an average return of $42. Impressive, huh? Now let's jump into the meat of it, how to make email marketing work for you. The first step is building a high-quality email list. Don't just go for quantity, you want engaged, interested subscribers. Offer valuable content, exclusive deals, or free resources to entice people to join your list. Next up, let's talk about crafting those emails. Personalization is key. Use your subscriber's first name, tailor content to their interests, and segment your list to send more relevant messages. Remember, you're not just sending emails, you're building relationships. A compelling subject line is your golden ticket. It's the first thing your subscribers see, so make it catchy, intriguing, and relevant. Aim for around 6-10 words and create a sense of urgency or curiosity. Now the body of your email, keep it concise and engaging. Use a conversational tone, break up text with images and bullet points, and always include a clear call to action. Whether it's visiting your website, downloading a resource, or making a purchase, make sure your CTA stands out. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Over half of all emails are opened on mobile devices, so ensure your emails look great on small screens. Use responsive design, and keep your subject lines short and sweet. Let's touch on automation. This is where you can really save time and boost efficiency. Set up automated welcome emails, drip campaigns, and follow-ups. This way you're nurturing your leads without lifting a finger. One more thing, always test and analyze. A/B test your subject lines, email content, and send times. Use analytics to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data will help you refine your strategy and get even better results. So, there you have it, your crash course in email marketing. Remember, it's all about building relationships, providing value, and staying consistent. Implement these strategies, and watch your business grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.